Hey everyone, it's Chris from Team Aquascape, and I'm super excited to share with you our newest line of spitters. In front of me, you'll see 5 different spitters. All of them are made of a high quality polystone material. They all come with a 1/2-inch tubing, which makes them adaptable to any of our statuary pumps or any of our ultra pumps in the line that we carry here at Aquascape. It makes them for very, very easy installation. So whether you're a contractor like me or a do-it-yourselfer, they're super easy to install. Very quick process to get them into a water feature, regardless of whether it's your fountainscape, your pond, or your pondless waterfall. Any of them would be a fantastic addition to any water feature. I love that they just add an element of zest or kind of this whimsical nature, especially the fairy planter. Everything about this is whimsical in nature, and it just adds a little unique element. Any of them would. You've got the jazzy frog sitting on a turtle. You've got your single turtle on a log. Or if you want to do more of a family affair, you've got a double turtle in a log. My personal favorite is the silly snail. I love it. I think I'm gonna take this one home with me, in fact. But I love that they are super easy to install. I love how durable they are because of the high quality material that they're made of. The attention to detail is second to none, especially when you look at the shell on these turtles. The log looks real, just everything about them. They're simple, they're beautiful, and they're gonna withstand the test of time. They're in stock now, ready to ship. They'd be great for you to take home with you to take home and give as a gift, you to encourage your contractor to get you one, or if you're a contractor, give as a gift. Surprise your customer. Or use it as an upsell material when you're there on the next maintenance visit or there at a spring clean out. Just put one on your water feature. You will not regret it because these things are so much fun, so incredible, and just add so much more life to your water feature. Hope you guys enjoyed it. We'll see you guys next time.
At Aquascape, your paradise is our passion. We connect people to water the way nature intended. We've been creating and field testing water features since 1991 to provide you with the most reliable products at the best value.